Today's video is a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks using the sticker kit Paloma. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to plan using my Hobonichi weeks. This is last week's spread, and going into this week, I have my pre-planning sticky notes that I'm removing from the page. Now that we have a clean page, I'm going to show you the sticker kit that I'm using. These are the 2 pages of my Hobonichi weeks kit in Paloma. This is the second page, and then this is the first page. All Hobonichi weeks kits are formatted the same way, so each of them have 2 pages as well. I'm going to start with my date cover-ups as per usual. I'm going to align it at the top of the page. And then for the bottom bar, I'm going to use my left bottom bar sticker at the bottom of the page, aligning it with the last line for Sunday. The right bottom bar is bigger than the left one, so I'm aligning it with the line in between Saturday and Sunday. Here I'm just going to write down the dates on my date cover-ups using my generic fountain pen with Robert Oster in Marine. We are planning the week of May 7th up until May 13th, and I'm pulling the stickers from my shop. They are the Joy stickers, and watch until the end of the video to see what stickers I used for this spread. The first sticker is a package sticker from the Happy Mail sampler to remind me that I need to mail out a package on Monday, very important. Next, I'm using this Hearted So Much Joy sticker to remind me that I am launching my FB group at the end of the week, and I'm very excited about that. Next, I'm using this work sticker, one of my most favorite stickers from my Joy sticker collection. Here, I'm using that sticker to mark that I need to design kits on Tuesday so that I don't fall behind with all my tasks. I'm also using this sticker from the Full of Ideas sticker page to mark that I need to brainstorm with my admins for my FB group. I also wrote down that I needed to promote my FB group launch in my Instagram and FB page. Those are paperjoyph, both of them. And next, I'm putting down another work sticker that would also mark design day so that when I see the sticker, I know what to do for that day. I'm using this online sticker to mark that I needed to talk to my FB group admins about the rules, the guidelines of the upcoming FB page. I'm using the phone call sticker from my Joy stickers collection to mark that I needed to boost an IG post just to prepare for the weekend. Here I'm using another work sticker. This is the last one for this spread, and it's supposed to mark design day. This is the 3rd design day of next week, and I'm going to make the printables. Hopefully I finish, and then using this sticker time sticker from my Joy collection, I'm marking that it's only 3 days away until my next release, and this crushing sticker where I will write down that I needed to launch my FB group on Sunday. My right page is almost complete, so now we're going into the left page where I can use the rest of the stickers. I'm going to start with the deco bar up at the top of the page. I don't really align it with the upmost line of the page, so you need to eyeball this a little bit. Just make sure that it's straight. Here I'm using the checklist on the left side of the page and using this laminated card from Craft with Undomestic Diva on IG. I've cut off the ends so that it fits neatly into the page. These are going to be for my goals, and then I'm putting down that box sticker. This is the horizontal box, and I'm going to place that deco on there just so it's a little bit more interesting. On here I'm going to write the theme for all of the kits that I want to release next week. And using that deco box, I'm going to just decorate that area. I've also decided to place the vertical box on the left side of the page, but it covered a little bit of my writing, but that's alright with me. So that mini box is where I'm going to write down what's important for that week. And then on that space next to the deco bar, I'm going to write down all of my errands. And for that mini box deco, that pretty bird, so cute, I'm going to just place that at that space so that it's not so empty. Here I'm putting down my weekend banner, but as you will see, I wanted to put down an emoji sticker, so I had to lift up the end of the weekend banner so I can put the emoji sticker down. I'm taking another sticker times sticker and putting it on Friday to remind myself that I need some time for planning. Next, I'm putting down this tracker sticker so that I can write down the things I wanted to track under that header. I'm placing the note header on the bottom box of the left page and putting down an extra deco so that it's a little bit cuter. And then I'm putting down that important header right beside that parrot or bird mini deco box and putting down some thoughts so I can write down what's important for the week. And then I'm using the rest of the deco all over the page just to make things a little bit brighter and more interesting, and so that I have a lot of things to look at. I just think that decos make the page more appealing, I guess. And here I'm just putting down the last deco as well as the last two headers, which is to do in today. Now for the right page, it's going to be both to-dos and today's, so that's why they are both on there. And the last thing I'm going to do is to put down my leftover checklist under the track header. And I'm also going to cut that up and then use the rest of that on the notes box as well as two other dots. I've used a lot of the stickers except for a few more dots. And then I'm just going to go through all of the things that are in my pre-planning sticky notes and writing them down on my page. For my goals this week, I wanted to design a few kits in different formats, starting with the weeks for Hobonichi, horizontals, verticals, joy stickers, die cuts, printables, all that jazz. So many designs to do. I wish or I hope that I finish them all. I'm also writing down my FB group to-dos, and I'm also thinking if I should do a giveaway on there when it launches. For important, I'm writing down that I needed to design and I needed to focus on FB group. In the This Week box, I wanted to remind myself that I needed to promote the May releases, so the first one, as well as to start designing so I don't cram everything towards the last few hours of release day. Now for trackers, I track my IG posts, IG stories, my FB group participation, so not mine but others, as well as YouTube. And that is it for us today. The spread is done and I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm just putting my elastic on my planner. And if you like this kit or any of the stickers that I have shown today, please go to paperjoyph.com to buy our stuff. Thank you once again for all the support that you have given us. We love you guys so much, both for supporting this channel and supporting my shop. If you'd like, you can also follow us on IG as well as our FB page, and watch out for our FB group launching soon. Yay! I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!